tasty culinary corner. Today we are making wheat coconut cookies. They are very healthy cookies. So let's check out the ingredients first. Half cup wheat flour, half cup maida refined flour, half cup desiccated coconut, half teaspoon baking powder, half cup powdered sugar and half cup desi ghee. It should be in semi-solid form. You can see it is in the semi-solid form. Take a ball, and in this ball take powdered sugar, half cup powdered sugar, half cup desi ghee, we have to beat them very well with the help of this beater. We have to beat them till they become creamy. You can see after beating it for 5 minutes, its consistency will be like this. You can see its consistency. It should be like this. Remember one thing, your ghee should be in the semi-solid form, otherwise it will be melted and will not be creamy like this. Okay, now take another bowl and in it take wheat flour, half cup wheat flour, it is pre-sieved, half cup refined flour maida, half cup desiccated coconut and half teaspoon baking powder. This is baking powder, and we have to mix it very well with the help of spoon. Now we have to mix this sugar mixture, that sugar and ghee that we beat earlier, in the wheat mixture. In this, mix it completely. We have to mix it very gently with very light hands. First we will mix it with the help of spatula and later with the hands like this. I am using it very gently. Remember, if you do it very hard pressure, then your cookies will be turned hard. Okay, now I will use of my hands very gently. You have to collect the dough together. You can see this. I am not kneading the dough. I am just collecting all the mixture together. Now our mixture is collected together. You can see I have done it with very gentle hand. Now I will make small balls like this. Cookie should be not of very big size. I think this size is appropriate. We will make balls like this. Now you can see I have prepared all the balls like this of this size. Okay, now we will prepare our baking tray. So first, this is our baking tray. I have lined up with silver foil. This is silver foil, and now I will top it with butter paper. This is butter paper roll. Okay. I have covered it with butter paper and silver foil. Now I will keep the cookies on it like this. Keep distance between the cookies because they will grow in size. We have to keep. Yeah, you can see I have arranged all the cookies on this baking tray. Now I have to keep it in oven OTG that I have preheated at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Okay, let's. Now our cookies are ready to go in the oven, and I will bake them for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Guys, our cookies are baked. They are looking golden and they are smelling so nice. Now when they are baked, they are little bit soft. When they will cool down, they will become crispy. So for cooling them, we have to keep them on wire rack. Guys, I have cooled them on the wire rack. You can see they are very evenly baked. Now we can do plating of them. We can serve them. They are looking very tempting. We all love it. My family loves it a lot. Give them a try. I hope all of in your family will like it. Our coconut wheat cookies are ready. If you like my recipe, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for the more exciting recipes. Bye bye.